Hello, wonderful friends. A huge welcome to Lavis Creations, your favorite place on YouTube. Today, we're taking a magical journey to a place closer than you think, your own body. We'll meet the brain, the boss of the body, the heart, our love pump, the stomach, our personal food processor, and the lungs, our fantastic airbags. It's going to be a fun-filled adventure filled with giggles and wows. So, are you ready to embark on a journey inside your own body? Hold on tight. Here we go. First stop, the brain. It's like the boss of your body. It tells your body what to do and when to do it. Now, imagine you're at work and your boss is giving you all sorts of instructions. Hey, remember to finish that report, or don't forget to attend the meeting at 3, and so on. That's pretty much what your brain does for your body. It's always giving orders, making sure everything is running smoothly. And just like a boss, the brain has a lot of responsibilities. It's in charge of everything you think, feel, and do. It's the reason you remember your best friend's birthday, why you feel excited when you see a delicious slice of pizza, and what makes you jump when you see a spider. But the brain doesn't stop there. It also takes care of stuff you don't even think about. It keeps your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and your stomach digesting. It even works while you're sleeping. Talk about a workaholic, right? Now, you might be wondering, how does the brain do all this? Well, it's all thanks to tiny cells called neurons. There are around 100 billion of these little guys in your brain, and they're constantly chatting with each other, sending messages back and forth. It's like they're having a never-ending office meeting. But don't worry, these neurons aren't gossiping about you. They're just making sure everything in your body is working correctly. If you stub your toe, for example, the neurons in your brain get the memo, and that's why you feel pain. So, if you ever feel like your brain is bossing you around, remember, it's just doing its job. It's making sure you're healthy, happy, and ready to take on the world. And just like a good boss, your brain deserves a little appreciation. So give it a pat on the back, or rather a pat on the head, and tell it, "Good job, brain." So remember, your brain is the boss, and it's always working hard for you. Next, we visit the heart, your body's love pump. Now, isn't that a fun way to think about it? You see, just as a water pump keeps water flowing through your house, your heart keeps love, or rather blood, flowing through your body. Imagine you're at a party and the DJ is your heart. The DJ keeps the music, or in this case, blood pumping, making sure the party never stops. It's like your heart is the DJ of your body, keeping the beat going 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No breaks, no timeouts, just pump, pump, pump. The heart is a muscular organ, a bit bigger than your fist. It's located just to the left of the middle of your chest. The heart has 4 chambers, like 4 rooms in a house. 2 on top are called atria, and 2 at the bottom are ventricles. The blood enters the heart's right atrium, then it's pumped to the right ventricle, which sends it to your lungs. Here it picks up oxygen, like picking up party guests. Then, it's back to the heart, into the left atrium, then the left ventricle, and whoosh, it's pumped out to the rest of the body. It's like a never-ending party circuit. But here's the thing, the heart doesn't just pump blood because it feels like it. It's a very obedient organ, listening to signals from your brain. When you're resting, your brain tells your heart, "Hey, slow down a bit." But when you're running around or excited, your brain tells your heart, "All right, pump it up, we need more blood flowing." And that's the heart for you, tirelessly pumping blood, or love if you prefer, all around your body. It's one of the hardest working organs you have. So next time you feel your heart beating, remember, it's your body's DJ, keeping the party going. Your heart keeps pumping love all day, every day. Isn't it just amazing? Now, we're off to the stomach, your very own food processor. Imagine a kitchen where you're making a smoothie. You toss in fruits, maybe a dollop of yogurt, a splash of juice, and then you hit that magic button. The blender whirls and twirls, turning everything into a smooth, drinkable concoction. Well, your stomach does something pretty similar, but with the food you eat. When you munch on your favorite pizza, burger, or even a healthy salad, your teeth do the initial job of breaking the food into smaller pieces. Then, like a slide at the park, Your food takes a fun ride down your esophagus and lands in the stomach. The stomach is like a super blender. It's a muscular bag that churns and squishes your food, breaking it down even more. But instead of a button, this process is powered by muscles in your stomach walls that contract and relax. It's like your stomach is doing a workout with every meal, but that's not all. The stomach also has a secret weapon, stomach acid. This is like the juice you add to your smoothie. It helps to break down the food even further. Don't worry, this acid is friendly to your stomach but tough on food. Once the stomach has done its job, the food, which is now a thick liquid, gets sent to the small intestine. There, it's broken down even more, and the nutrients are absorbed by the body. This is similar to how your body absorbs the goodness from the smoothie you drink. So what's the point of all this? Well, your body needs energy to run, jump, play, and even think. This energy comes from the food we eat. The stomach, with its blending and churning, helps to extract this energy from our food. It's like your body's very own power plant fueling you for all your adventures. So your stomach is like a food processor, making sure you get the energy you need. Remember, every bite you take is a step towards powering your day. So enjoy your meals and let your stomach do the rest. Let's move to the lungs, your body's airbags. Imagine you're a balloon. You're flat and empty, but when someone blows air into you, you puff up and become all around and floaty. Now, imagine you're a pair of balloons, but instead of floating around at a birthday party, you're nestled inside a human chest, and your job is to keep that person alive. Meet your lungs, the body's personal air balloons. Just like a balloon fills up with air and becomes all puffy, your lungs fill up with air every time you breathe in. And just like a balloon can squeeze out air and become flat again, your lungs squeeze out air every time you breathe out. But there's more to it than just inflating and deflating like party decorations. You see, your lungs are super picky. They only want the good stuff. When you breathe in, you're not just breathing in air, you're breathing in a mix of gases. And the only gas your lungs care about is oxygen. They're like picky eaters at a buffet, only going for the oxygen and leaving everything else behind. Once they've got their oxygen, they send it off into your bloodstream, like a mailman delivering a very important package. This oxygen is delivered to every cell in your body, keeping them all alive and well. But the lungs' job isn't done yet. Once they deliver the oxygen, they have to collect the waste product that your cells produce, which is called carbon dioxide. It's like when you're done with a party and you have to clean up all the leftover balloons and streamers. Your lungs collect all the carbon dioxide, and then, when you breathe out, they push it out of your body. So, just like a pair of balloons, your lungs are constantly filling up with air and squeezing it out. But they're doing so much more than that. They're making sure your body gets the oxygen it needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide it doesn't. Your lungs are your body's airbags, filling up and squeezing out air all day long. Wow! That was quite a journey inside our bodies, wasn't it? We've been through the corridors of the brain, our very own command center, making sure we don't forget to tie our shoelaces. We have visited the heart, the ever-diligent love pump, keeping us alive with its tireless beat. We've checked in on the stomach, our personal food processor, turning pizza and broccoli into the energy we need to play and learn. And let's not forget the lungs, our built-in airbags, helping us breathe in life's adventures and breathe out any worries. Isn't it incredible to think about all these organs working together in harmony to keep us going every single day? It's like a well-rehearsed orchestra, each player with a critical part, all coming together to create the beautiful symphony that is us. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have, and that you've picked up a few fun facts along the way. Remember, our bodies are amazing, and the more we learn about them, the better we can take care of them. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and most importantly, keep having fun with learning. Thank you so much for joining us on this fantastic journey. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Lavis Creations for more fun and learning. See you next time!